Sireeruckhachati Nature Park was developed from medicinal plant garden, initiated by Professor Dr. Natpamon Prawat, a former president of Mahidol University, and Professor Payao Muen Wongyat, head of the Pharmaceutical Botany Department, Faculty of Pharmacy at that time. During the construction of Mahidol University, Salaya campus, which began since 1981, Professor Payao considered that Faculty of Pharmacy's curriculum offered courses in medicinal plants, but the naturally cultivated specimens were not available for students, especially in Bangkok. She proposed a plot of land for the collection and conservation of Thai medicinal plants. This garden would be served as the learning and research areas for the students and other interested guests. This, coupled with the fact that Dr. Nat Pamon Prawat foresaw the significance of Thai medicinal plants in Thailand, as well as the need for green areas for students and university staff, led to the approval of about a 5-acre plot of land on the southwestern side of the campus for the construction of a garden. The architectural layouts were designed and implemented step by step, while medicinal plants from trees to vines, shrubs, and herbs were cultivated. The garden soon began to take shape and provided service for the target groups. Her Majesty the Queen graciously named this medicinal plant garden Sireeruckhachati, and Her Royal Highness Princess Mahachakri Sirinthorn presided over the official opening ceremony on 8 August 1988. The operating teams of the garden felt deepest gratitude for the royal grace and were greatly encouraged to carry on the project and dedicate themselves to making sure that the garden activities will reflect the true intention of its founders. In 1993, Sireeruckhachati Medicinal Plant Garden was honored with Mahidol University Award in the Service category and followed with another award, Outstanding National Project in the National Resources and Environment Conservation category from the National Identity Board, Office of the Prime Minister in 1996. In 2007, Clinical Professor Piyasakon Sokon Satyathon, the president of Mahidol University, upgraded this garden to Nature Conservation Park for the study of Thai medicinal plants and also serve as Ecotourism Park. The former garden was expanded to 55 acres to accommodate various activities for both local and international levels. In recognition of the university's commitment and dedication, Her Majesty the Queen graciously renamed it to Sireeruckhachati Nature Park on 22 April 2010. The next presidents of Mahidol University, Professor Rachata Ratchanawin, carried on and provide further support to this project and made it a nature park in honor of Her Majesty the Queen. Sireeruckhachati Nature Park provides a collection of over 800 medicinal plant species that have been beautifully cultivated. It is a natural classroom for students and researchers, both in theoretical and practical uses. Sireeruckhachati Nature Park is fully equipped with facilities to provide services for visitors who go there to relax or learn about numerous benefits of Thai medicinal plants. Moreover, this park gives opportunities to the people with disabilities, physical, hearing, and visual impaired, to learn and gain the benefit about medicinal plants. It is where plant genetic resources are conserved according to the ecological conditions of the current site.